Say a few things, brother. Go ahead.
Just want him to just say a couple of words about the credit union, because we got to start putting our monies together, you know. So DC, share a few words about the credit union.
Thank you very much. Greetings and welcome to everyone.
Greetings.
Yeah, as David said in the introduction, I'm DC. I'm the interim manager of the Black Star Line Cooperative Credit Union. It was started about 6 years ago. We're in our 7th year, and just this year we were able to achieve affiliation with the Ghana Credit Union Association. This is the regulatory body that supervises and regulates all credit union activity in the country. We were able to satisfy the requirements that they've established after 5 years of work. One of them is finding 150 shareholders as a minimum number. We were able to do this last year, August, and that started a process that involved being audited by the Ghana Credit Union Association, having an office and holding an AGM. We are also registered with the Department of Cooperatives. This is a legal requirement. It's a government agency that regulates all cooperatives in the country. The credit union is a financial cooperative. Now, you may be aware what a cooperative is. It's a collection of individuals that come together and they own the enterprise. Well, the Black Star Line Cooperative Credit Union is inspired by the work of the Honorable Marcus Mosiah Garvey and the UNIA in terms of trying to establish self-reliance for Pan-Africans at home. It's open to all Pan-Africans, whether at home or abroad, and we've been doing this work, like I said, for the past 7 years. Right now, we just launched a new product, the Black Star Line Investment Plan, that's targeting our overseas base. We currently have 219 shareholders. Not a very impressive number, but it's a growing number. You know, every month, every week, we get 1 or 2 people signing up. But 60% of these people are based abroad. So the brand Black Star Line has a tremendous appeal to our family based abroad. So because of that situation, investment product was devised where shareholders can get a guaranteed 20% on their investment. Because of our affiliation with COA, we are eligible to participate in time deposits that is 1.5% above the treasury bill rate. And this is the type of investment that we take advantage of. You know, we give the shareholder 20%, and the difference is what the credit union uses to offset rent, staff, time and travel, cost of the internet, utilities, and so forth. There's a website that one can register, become a member. You could also use PayPal. We use PayPal as a repository. It does take some time to repatriate the funds, but we eventually do it within a month or so. And we try to make it accumulate to about $1,000 so that the cost of wiring the funds will be cost effective. It's between $35 and $50, regardless of the amount. And it depends on the institution that you're working with. We're working with Carver Federal Savings Bank, and their cost is $40 per wire.
Can you get the website?
Oh yes, the website. The name of the website is the Black Star Line Cooperative Credit Union.com.
And also, family, the information is in your tour book.
It's in which book?
Our tour book.
Oh, the tour book. Oh, I didn't know that. Give thanks for that.
It's on the website.
Reputation.
It's on the website and everything else.
Oh, okay.
Well, appreciate you, brother. Appreciate you.
Okay. All right. So give thanks for your time and
And we're gonna have plenty of time for everybody to talk to him right after we finish.
Thank you, brother.
Okay, brothers and sisters.